Good day, tech readers. Today we're looking at Sony's new flagship phone, the XZ2. There is one phone above this in the range, which would be the XZ2 Premium, which is yet to launch, but at the moment this is Sony's top phone. It's quite a big change from the previous XZ1 model. This one is smooth and curved on the back. The last one was much flatter. And the fingerprint sensor, most importantly, has moved into the middle of the back of the phone, whereas Sony used to put its fingerprint sensors in the power button on the side, which we thought was quite a nice innovation, so that as you turned the phone on, it took the fingerprint sensor with it. Now you're having to touch on the back, which still works great, and it's quick, as long as you're not touching the camera, as I do all the time. My finger's searching for the sensor and touching the camera. Because it's a Sony phone, it'll be fully stocked with the best of everything, extremely fast processor, 4 GB of RAM. But what really stands out in this camera is the HDR screen. So HDR, as you should know, stands for high dynamic range. That means that it carefully balances the light and dark areas of the screen, particularly when you're watching video, for example. Of course, you can film video with HDR, but it doesn't help if you don't have a screen on which to watch it. And this is the first phone with an HDR screen, which means, of course, there's certain kinds of YouTube clips you can also watch with HDR. It makes a huge difference. And because it's a Sony phone, it's got a fantastic audio subsystem, as you'd expect. It plays high-resolution audio brilliantly, using its own internal chips to process that, and it can actually upscale conventional audio into high-res audio as well. So lots to like about the new Sony flagship phone. The new curvaceous style on the back, which is a big step up from the blocky styles they had before. The fingerprint sensors moved into a more conventional position, and the HDR screen, which makes a very big difference on this model.